Tree Cutting and Trimming Dix Hills. Welcome to Tree Cutting and Trimming Dix Hills. Our services are following: tree removal, trimming and pruning, stump grinding, land clearing, roof line clearing, aerial bucket. Contact us today to make an appointment to have one of our tree professionals visit your home or business for a free evaluation and estimate. Ask about our police, firemen and senior discounts. 24/7 emergency services available. Call Tree Cutting and Trimming Dix Hills by phone 631-812-5180 if you have any questions. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com, or contact us through phone 631-812-5180. You can visit our office, 450 Commack Road number 438, Deer Park, New York 11729, United States. Tree Cutting and Trimming Dix Hills.